Okay, we came in on the E-mini today wanting to sell 99s to 01s. Our sell zone, our buy zone was 90 to 92. And less is more. So trade location is going to count. We've talked about that. These two trades actually worked. There was 4 points if you stuck it out on that one. 2 if you maxed out that particular trade. This retest failure right here would have been good for 1. This buy turned out to be the trade of the day. Retest failure, good trade, went nowhere. So there's really 5 good trades right in here that would have produced some money for you. You've taken this S, and we took an S in this area right in here and promptly got stopped out. And you take trades in this middle area like that, they're just 50-50. We want to be short above the green line. We want to be long beneath it. So the idea and the assessment of today's market was pretty darn good. Though patience rewards the trader. You let the market come to you. You get an area. You take these high probability trades. That's how you're going to turn the corner. My guess is that we'll rally. UK is not going to leave the European Union. We'll probably have the high price set on tomorrow's opening. It'll carry through the night because it's a done deal. Rumor fact. So if we don't rally it quickly in the morning, we'll probably get sellers. It's Friday. It's into the week. But again, it's really hard to fight the Fed. They don't want this market to sell. So higher low, higher high on F1 says find a place to buy it. Looking on our F2 screen, it is definitely a P. Volume is moving higher in the distribution. So 99 to 02, sell failure to take that out. And I think if we get through that, I mean, why not 10? So 9s to 11s for sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down was 94, followed by 91, 92. So a 90 to 92, buy 1. 85, 87, pretty much where we were today on these trades. Looking at the 10-year note, which is where the hedge is and where the volume is. And if you want to get, you probably have to trade 3 notes now to make one 30-year. Lower high, lower low, looking for a place to sell it. What defines a downtrend? Lower highs. What defines an uptrend? Higher lows. Higher lows will get you higher highs. Lower highs will get you lower lows. That's the way you have to think about that. That's the way it works. A definitely B, definitely pointing lower, definitely had a weak close. This high volume number pulled us to it. Low volume number is at 20. So the next little support band, 20 to 24 by 1. 13 to 17 by 2. Now if Brexit actually happens, this contract will rally and stock markets will sell, the dollar will rally. So we just have to be cognizant of that, and we won't know until tonight. We're at 25, so basically top of value is 31.5, so I like to sell 30 to 02 and then 4 to 8. Basically the buck to 08 is our sell zone. Okay, looking at the 30-year. Definitely B, definitely moving lower. Our first little band of resistance is going to be 8 to 12. 15 to 19, sell 1. We don't want to be short if the UK leaves the EU. 27 to 31. Actually 23 to 27 for sell 2. On the buy side, 28 to the buck. 1, so we're pointed lower. 21.25 by 1. Then 9 to 13 by 2. Looking at gold, I think gold's going to go a little lower. The UK stays risk off, but again, I don't think it's a break. So that 1250, 1255 is probably pretty darn good structural support. Everything's outside day to day. That suggests trading range on the F1. F2, definitely a B, definitely pointed lower. So we'll make 55, 57 by 1. The idea that they'll sell it because Brexit hold. Brexit is no. And then 49 to 51, let them get stops below 50. Right now, 65, 67, sell 1. And our 69, 71, sell 2. Keep it where we had it today. Basically selling 65 to 67 to 70s and buying at 50 to 55 area would be desired. And looking at crude oil, inside day trading range finished pretty strongly. That buying at 14.27 was short covering for sure. We're just kind of in a trade range. I think crude's going to be a little bit higher, but will be sold. So getting short above 50, I think, is reasonable. Right now, maybe a little higher for the euro, so 55, 50.25, 50.50, and 75 to 51 for sell 2. On the buy side, started at 49.54, so 49.50, 49.75 buy 1. Really don't like the long side of the market, especially at that price, and then 49 even, 49 and a quarter by 2. Okay, the euro I think will trade higher, but now that Britain doesn't leave the UK, now what's up? Mario wants the euro lower so he can export goodies outside of the European Union. So higher low, higher high, at 14.25, 14.50 area is prime sell territory. Definitely a B. So we're at 86, so 14 even, 14.10, sell 1. 14 and a quarter, 14.35, sell 2. 13.75, buy 1. I think we traded up first in London, then they sell it. 13.50, buy 2. But if 75 turns from support to resistance, then don't think we'll have much of a chance trading up. That's it for June the 23rd, 2016. See you bright and early in the morning.